In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust paragraph styles in your Squarespace website, an essential skill for customizing your site's design to better suit your brand or personal style. Let's dive right in. First, to make any changes, you'll need to log in to your Squarespace dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace login page. Enter your credentials and follow the prompts until you're successfully logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be greeted by a list of your websites, especially if you manage more than one. Now, what you want to do is select the website you wish to customize. This part is crucial because any changes you make will apply only to the website you select at this time. Once you've chosen the correct site, simply click on it, and this will take you to a more detailed view of that website's options and settings. From this main settings page, you need to look for the Styles option. This is where the magic of customization happens. Click on Styles, and it will open a range of design settings that you can tweak and perfect according to your aesthetic needs. On the right side of the Styles panel, you'll see various options listed, one of which will be Fonts. Focus your attention here and click the arrow next to Fonts. This will expand your options and show different text categories that you can modify. Among these categories, find and click on Paragraphs. Here, you have the flexibility to adjust the style, size, lineage, and spacing of the paragraph text on your site. This step is vital if you're aiming to enhance readability or ensure that the text aligns precisely with your design vision. Take your time here. Adjusting these settings can significantly transform the look and feel of your content. As you're making these modifications, you'll notice the changes in real time on your website preview, allowing you to see exactly how the adjustments impact the page. This feature is particularly helpful in ensuring your changes precisely meet your design intentions before finalizing anything. After you've finished adjusting the paragraph styles to your satisfaction, the final step is to save your work. Look towards the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and you'll see the Save button. Clicking this will ensure all your changes are stored and applied to your site. It's always a good idea to double-check to ensure everything looks perfect and functions as intended once saved. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the paragraph styles on your Squarespace website. Practicing these steps will make you more familiar with the robust customization tools Squarespace offers, helping you to create a unique and visually appealing site. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing!